'62 Chevrolet Impala, 409 dual quads, 4-speed, power brakes. Don't think you can have power steering, and but it does. So that's pretty cool. Be a proud car to take home, oh boy, here at the Reno auction. And this is a Super Sport with a factory tack. In '62, Chevrolet used the sun-looking tacks mounted on the column themselves. And it's got the grab bar over there, bucket seats, little console, floor shift with a little console around it. Got the optional flipper hubcaps. And it's like brand new, only a little bit cleaner and shinier. USA, see America first license plate. One rear mount antenna, which was a pretty common thing for Chevrolets back then. They liked that. Give you another shot of the interior from the other side. You can see the grab bar there a lot better. It's got power windows. No, it doesn't. I'm sorry. But it's cool. Got the 409 emblems on the valve covers.